How to turn on and turn off Binance notifications on Binance app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. First up, make sure you have already enabled notifications in your device settings for the Binance. To check that, launch your settings app. Now scroll down, navigate to the app Binance. Now click on the option of notifications. Now enable for this option of allow notifications. Once you do that, close this. Launch your Binance app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find this icon. Click on it. Navigate to the option of settings. Now head over to the option of notification settings. Now from here, you are able to customize these settings for the notification, account activities. You can enable or disable for these options, likewise listings, likewise promotions. If you want to enable it, toggle on for these options. If you want to disable it, toggle off for these options. You can customize notifications for each of the options given over here. This is how you can easily turn on or turn off Binance notifications on Binance app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.